So I'm going to attempt to make a video to show you how to use the DVD player. I hope it works. So if this is the screen when you turn on the touch view, you're gonna go to this. We're gonna go to the screen here, and then it's gonna have HDMI 2. It should be, I'm gonna press that, and then it should bring you to this screen. So then, sorry for my, oopsie, that's really bad. Okay, so then we have this remote. Okay, and we are going to press play and point it at the player down here. Okay. That seems really loud, but once it starts playing, it needs to be kind of loud. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna use this button here. I'm gonna go down to It's a Free Country. I'm gonna point it at the player. Okay, that's the one we want, so we're gonna press enter. Enter is
major funding for Constitution USA with Peter Sagal.
Okay, so then we're gonna fast forward.
U.S. Bank Wealth Management, helping clients grow, preserve, and pass along their wealth. Real advice for real gold.
Okay, chapter 2, nope. We're using this button. Chapter 3.
Travel around America.
Nope. 4,
Four,
no. This is chapter 5, nope. 6.
The Bill of Rights protects your liberties, no matter
Yes.
who you are or how much people
6.
dislike it. And that includes suspected criminals.
All right, so
or
that's
even
chapter
people
6.
convicted of crimes. People who end up in a...
All right, I'm pausing it. That's chapter 6. That's where we want to start. Okay, so then the ending point will be, all right, let's see.
place like this. This is the old tennis... History has shown that the rights of the minority do matter, even if they hold unpopular opinions.
Let's see.
And the Bill of Rights...
Let's see, do I want this part? I can't tell. I think so.
All well-kept
Okay, yep, we're gonna watch this
backyards,
part.
pull right into the driveway, and
Perhaps nothing in the Bill of Rights is changing as fast or as profoundly as the Fourth Amendment, the one that protects our privacy.
All right, so this
We
is
thought we knew
too
exactly what
far.
it meant until the dawning of the...
Okay, so,
Perhaps nothing.
all right, we are not gonna watch this guy. You should stop the video. All right, I'll show you where I'm waiting for the part to come up. All right, at these teddy bears, okay? So this
Basic
segment,
rights.
this
But about
segment,
the kind of society we the people want.
okay, after these teddy bears and stuff, just stop it, okay? So I stopped it, and then probably the next class, you might have to rewind it using this, right? To chapter, what was it? I don't know what chapter I said we were starting at, but I said it earlier in the video. Anyway, I hope that works, and yeah, I think it should. All right, okay, that's what I got for the directions for the DVD. This is the remote, and then the player is down here. Okay, so that's that. Okay, hope it goes well. Bye.